I've been on a long dark road where the nights are
as Cody Catella sets quick time ahead of Tyler Dietz at 17.382.
But I'm all alone on a long dark road. On a long dark road.
Practice, that's about all night. We got one K car is race 1 here. Cody Flow Racing Night in America. Cody won it with this car, has raced it once so far. And we've got out the new edition Pro Stock to 2K at John. So it's just a nice practice night for both of them. So get these cars all set up here. Alright, time for practice section number 1. We're going out there for hot laps. We got Cody. Locked in here. We got John. Going out the first time with Pro Stock 2K. We're going to go locked in here for hot laps. Alright, started day 2 here. About 1:15. Qualifying starts at 7. So we're going to get these cars all unloaded. Get them all ready for qualifying. So Cody said he didn't have too good of a sleep, so we'll see how he can get it done in qualifying.
Up on a 2x4 all night, pretty much.
Yeah. So we're gonna get both these cars out here. They're both gonna qualify, and we'll see how we get done. Well, getting all set here for qualifying, buffing the tires. So we got about an hour till qualifying. We ate pretty good. Some hibachi. So we're back at it now. About 6 o'clock. So start of night 2.
Getting John's tires ready for him. Somebody had to run the stock while we weren't there.
Well, John will be on the first group of qualifying. He picked tow number 1, Cody. Just both 17, so he'll be about right group 4 or 3. There's 30 Pro Stocks right now, so hopefully we can even get more.
5 Schneider in the 155. Tight shot there for those of you watching at home on Dirt TV of Cody Catella rolling through 3 and 4. Chug off the backstretch, hops right up on as Cody Catella sets quick time ahead of Tyler Dietz at 17.382.
So John, just get laps in, Please hope. We got our crew on standby here. Here goes Cody. Make out there and go get it done.
27 of Dietz, row 4 the 5 of Billick, the 9 of Appleby, row 5 the 23 of Collier, and the 2K of Jonathan Catellis. Cody Catellis slides up in front of the nose of Tyler Dietz as they battle down the backstretch for the lead. Joey Zambati trying to throw his hat in the ring to make it a 3-car battle for the lead. Catellis leads the opening 2 laps into books. Cody Catellis leads the field down the backstretch ahead of Tyler Dietz, Joey Zambati, and Jason Black. Tyler Dietz up into the 5th spot past Tim Bish. 3 laps in the books for your leader, Cody Catellis. Lernerville feature win. He wouldn't be the first driver to do that during his Steel City Stampede. In fact, David Cobb Jr. just did that last season in the sprints. Right now, he's got his hands full with Tyler Dietz as they come to the checkered flag. Cody Catellis steals the win.
All right, that's a wrap for day number 2, Friday. Cody won his heat. after an exciting finish. How about that finish?
Yeah, that'll pucker you up. That was a good race. He left me plenty of room. You just don't know where to go when you're out front there. I thought the bottom was good and 3 and 4, and meanwhile here they're a little bit better on the top. So no, that was cool. I've raced with Tyler for years. He's always ran me good. So a lot of fun. Hopefully it all carries over to tomorrow.
All right, feature time here. Cody pole sitter. His race to lose. Finally, good time the race. It was a little rainy, a little rain delay, probably about 20 minutes. Really to get it done after a long weekend. Hard work. Really got to get it done here tonight.
$500 from MR Moody Sales and Service. Lights are out. Cody Catellis, Hunter Exley will bring the field to green through the Sprankles Market start zone off of turn 4. Off in turn 2 and down the backstretch. Hunter Exley and Tyler Dietz give chase. Dietz in that tries to hug the bottom of 3 and 4. Not as much forward bite off the bottom of 4 as there is in. Flag will wave for the white 1K of Cody Catellis, but here comes Chris Schneider. Schneider back into second, dives to the bottom of 1 and 2. All the lap cars cleared turns 3 and 4, coming to the checkered flag. Cody Catellis finally gets that first Lernerville feature win.
Steel City Stampede belt buckle, Cody Catellis. Well, you said at Castro Flow Racing Night in America, you got this new car out, put it in victory lane. Hey, might as well do it at the Steel City Stampede and get yourself a belt buckle.
Yeah, we saved this car just for that, man. This thing was great all weekend. Smooth. You never know what to do after all them yellows. I thought I kept hearing somebody, and then when Bish got to me, I knew that he was probably pretty good on the top. So, man, that was just a kind of a guessing game over here where to go, but luckily it all worked out.
How about people you need to thank?
I really need to thank my girlfriend, my dad, for putting this car together. He puts a lot of work in these things. Melissa, my brothers, Greg Beach, Anarchy Customs. He's the magic behind this setup and everything, how this car turns left. I'm going to thank Michelle and Joe are here. Joey's here. My buddy Luke helped me all day today. All the fans for coming out. Hoods Up Quick Lube, Anarchy Customs, Top Gear Lawn Care, Chem Oil, Royal Purple, Fayette Napa Auto Parts, and You Bet Pilot Car. And this one's for someone special, Barry Beach. This one's for Greg and Kristen, and this one's for him. So
congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Your Kyle and Dow Carnahan Memorial Feature winner, Cody Catellis.
I've been on a long dark road where the nights are cold. Got my whole